Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll show you how to file your taxes on Turbotax. Whether you're a first timer or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process from creating an account to submitting your return. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tax tutorials. So first and foremost, go ahead and sign in into your TurboTax account. Head over to their website and click on the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen. If you're new, click on the create an account and enter your email, username, and password. Once you're logged in, click on the start new return or continue if you already have begun. And TurboTax will ask a few questions to help you choose the right version for you. The free edition is best for those with simple tax returns, deluxe for maximizing deductions and credits, premier for investments in rental properties, and self-employed for freelancers, contractors, and business owners. Choose the version that fits your situation and click on the Start button. TurboTax will guide you through the providing your personal information such as your full name, SSN, and date of birth, filing status, address, and contact information. Double check everything for accuracy, and it's important for tax processing. Now it's time to add your income details. First would be with W2 form, so click on the Add Income and select W2. Enter your employer's info and income as shown on your form. Some employers allow direct import. TurboTax will notify you if available. 1099 forms for freelancers, contractors, and investments. Choose the relevant 1099 form and enter the income details carefully. Other income, add unemployment income, retirement distributions, rental income, and more if applicable. TurboTax will run a complete review to catch any errors. Double check your entries, especially SSN's income and bank account details. And now you're ready to file. Choose e-file or print and mail your return. If e-filing, enter your bank info for direct deposits or direct debit. TurboTax will ask for your PIN or prior year's AGI to verify your identity. Click submit my return and you're done. And that's it. That's how you file your taxes on TurboTax in 2025. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.